In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flyer using ChatGPT. We'll walk through the entire process step by step to ensure you can craft a captivating and effective flyer with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. This is the starting point for accessing all the tools we'll need today. Once you're on Google's homepage, locate the search bar and type in ChatGPT. This will direct you to the search results where you'll find the official ChatGPT website. Now, click on the link to the ChatGPT website. This takes you directly to the platform where we'll be crafting our flyer. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to complete the login process using your credentials, or create an account if you're new to ChatGPT. This is an essential step to fully access the platform's capabilities. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the platform's home interface. Here, you'll see a space to type in prompts. To start creating our flyer, input a prompt that instructs ChatGPT to generate a friendly and exciting garage sale flyer. You might say something like, "Create a friendly, exciting garage sale flyer for neighbors featuring a catchy headline, short description, event details, and a strong call to action." Use warm, inviting colors, easy-to-read fonts, and images of tools and appliances to draw attention. After inputting your flyer creation prompt, go ahead and hit the Submit button. This step is crucial because it's where the magic happens. ChatGPT will process your request and generate a text-based response with all the elements you asked for. Take a moment to review what's produced to ensure it meets your needs. If necessary, you can refine your prompt and try again. Next, let's focus on adding visuals to your flyer. Return to the search bar within ChatGPT's site and type in a prompt like, "Generate an image for flyers and insert the details." This will prompt ChatGPT's integrated capabilities to suggest visual elements or guide you to resources for creating images that complement your flyer. Once you've typed your image prompt, click Submit again. ChatGPT will assist you by generating suggestions or providing links to image creation tools, helping you enhance your flyer with visuals that attract attention. Remember, the combination of compelling text and engaging imagery is key to an effective flyer. As you're finalizing your flyer, ensure that every element aligns with your initial goals. Whether your focus is on promoting an event or drawing attention to an exciting opportunity, clarity and appeal are your targets. With these steps, you will have created a memorable and impactful flyer using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tutorials.